Are you tired trolling the internet with no lack of making money? You got it all wrong. What if there was a quick way to earning money online? Just by doing what you do every day. Basically, watching videos online. Kindly stay with me to the end of this video so you don't miss this golden opportunity I'm presenting to you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you things you do every day on a regular, but you don't make money out of it. But with this particular website, you're going to earn from this thing you do each and every day. All you have to do is just stick with me to the end of the video so that you don't miss any significant detail when it comes to this video. The best thing or the good thing is you can earn through mobile money. This site pays through mobile money. It's very simple, and for those who are watching outside Ghana, you can earn through USDT. You can withdraw through USDT, that's Binance or crypto wallet. For my Nigerians, my Kenyans, anywhere you find yourself watching this video, you're outside Ghana, you can withdraw to USDT. Okay, but for my Ghanaians, you can use mobile money. It's just simple, whether MTN, Vodafone, or Airtel Tigo, any of it. Just stick with me to the end of the video. So I'll be sharing my phone screen with you with regards to how to go about with the registration. The link I'll be leaving in the comment section, in the description box. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if today is your first time joining me on this particular channel. Without much ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, this is my phone screen. This is how the website looks like. When you tap on the link in the description, this is the display. So all you have to do is just come here, input your name over here, your last name, your username. You know, you have to input your first and last name because you are going to use mobile money to make it very easy for them to trace you are the one sending it. Your email address, your country. I'm using a VPN, so you can see over here your country number, your password, confirm your password, then you agree to the terms and conditions. Okay, so for me, I already have an account, so I just have to go to login. So this is how the interface looks like. Okay, it's user friendly. You can see this your referral link. You can just copy it from here. This is the home button over here. You can see over here. So guys, these are my ads. These are ads earnings over here. This is the plan. My withdrawal, if you want to withdraw, just tap on this. Your transfer, your referral, your support. I'll be leaving their YouTube, their Telegram channel in the description. Everything you need to know about this particular website, I'll be leaving it in the description. So kindly try and watch out for that one too. And the settings, your verification, okay, 2-pin verification, you can do it over here. So guys, I want to buy a plan. So first, in order to buy a plan, you just tap on plan over here, and you can see we have 10 Ghana plan, which at the end of the 10 Ghana plan, at the end of 24 days period, you are going to earn $23 okay, for $10. For $15, you are going to earn $34. That's twice the amount of money. For $20 plan, you are going to earn $43. For $5 plan, you are going to earn $12. So guys, I'll prefer this particular plan, so I'll just tap on plan over here, then I'll tap on purchase. So when it comes to purchase, you can see we have USDT over here and we have mobile money. So if you're outside Ghana, you can choose USDT. You just tap on it and you get started. I'm in Ghana, so I'll just tap on mobile money here, and here we are told to enter the amount. Okay, so it's a $5 plan I want to buy. You can see 5 USDT. Then I just tap on next. So 1 USDT on this particular app is a rated 12 Ghana cedis, which means 5 USDT I have to pay 60 Ghana cedis. You can see over here 60 Ghana cedis. So guys, all I have to do is just tap on pay now. So pay now, this side is a little tricky. You don't have to enter any detail here, so you just have to copy this number. So copy, and you can see the name is Wisdom what Dodge. Okay, so I'll copy this number and I'll come to my keypad, then I'll make the payment over here, star 170 hash. If you are using Vodafone, you can just dial star 12110 hash. Then I'll make payment to this particular number. So transfer money, mobile money user. Then I enter the number over here. The name was Wisdom. I have to bear in mind about that. Then I'll confirm the number again, Wisdom. And I enter the amount, 60 Ghana cedis. And the reference. So the reference you're going to enter here, my phone is a little this one. So I'll enter 0000 as reference. Okay. So you can enter your name over here. You can enter any name over here. But remember, I enter 000 as reference. So I just tap on send. And you can see the name over here, Wisdom what? Dogbe. Okay. Then I input my password. I've sent 60 Ghana cedis to Wisdom. So now let's go back to this particular website. So now I'm going back to this website. What's your momo name? I'll just enter my name over here. And the referral I used 000. Then which network? I used MTN. Then I just tap on confirm now. So you can see over here it's pending. It's pending, so it's yet to be approved. So I'll wait for it to be approved. Yeah, so guys, you can see over here completed. Okay, within less than 1 minute, completed over here. So guys, I just have to come back here. Yeah, so guys, as you can see over here, this is the current plan I'm on. Plan 1, which will expire 11th January. You can see, and the time is over here. So remaining ads for me to view today is 5 referrals and other stuff. So my total deposit is $5. You understand? So all I have to do is just tap on ads over here. Ads. Let me go to ads over here. So these are the ads I can view. I'll just tap on this, and that's all. It's loading over here. You can see it's loading over here. So when it reaches 100%, I'm done. Then I solved this question. Advertisement view successfully, guys. You can see over there. So I have, I think, from guys, you can see I have exceeded the daily advertisement view limit. So when we are done, we just come over. You can see my balance over here. With the $5 package I bought, every day I'm going to earn 0.6. That's roughly I think 7 Ghana cedis. Oh yes, 7 Ghana cedis every day on this website. Yes. So and you can see my total view for today is 5 over here. You can see over here. So my advertisement view statistics, you can see over here, everything is over here. Available advertisements. So guys, this is the deposit, how to deposit on this particular website. Okay, so let's go to the withdrawal. Okay, I already have 2 accounts on this website. This is a new account. I've already created an account already, so I'll just go to the old account and I'll make withdrawal from that old account. Okay, so guys, in case you want to refer a friend, you just come here. You can see your referral bonus over here. You just tap on this to copy your referral click, okay, and share with your friends. Okay, so guys, I'll be logging into the other account so that I can make my withdrawal. Okay, so kindly stick with me so I make the withdrawal for us to see how this particular website works. So guys, this is my old account. I have logged in and I have $24.6 in my old account. So all I have to do is just tap on withdraw over here. And here we have the option to choose whether you want to withdraw to USDT or mobile money. Since I began with mobile money, I'll just go in for mobile money. And we can see the amount over here. So I'll just enter in. everything. I just want to withdraw everything. 24.6 USDT. Okay, then I just tap on next. Insufficient withdrawal. Okay, so I think I have to zero charge plus $6. Okay, so okay, let me just input 23 and see if it will work, because I have to withdraw. I have to deduct the tax. They'll be taxing me, I think, 6%. So okay, it went through successfully. You can see my charge amount was $1.38. So anytime you are making a withdrawal, kindly know that you have to deduct the tax percent. That's 6%. So you just calculate 6% of the money you are withdrawing, then you deduct it. So yeah, input network, mobile money, MTN, and here I input my momo number here, and my momo name is optional. You understand? So John Alat, just do it. Then I'll just confirm. Okay, so payout requested successfully. Wait for confirmation. So guys, I just received the alert in my momo. So let's go and check it out. Actually, it took roughly 5 minutes. 5 minutes, yes. So that's it over here. Make it a little white. So you can see over here, payment received from Wisdom Dogby. You know, when I was registering, I was doing the deposit for the first one. I sent it to this particular number, you can see, and the same number has sent me my withdrawal for my other account. You can see over here, Sheldonclicks over here. So guys, there's a new platform. Actually, I wanted to join this platform before I could recommend this platform to you. You can kindly take note of this, and let's take advantage of this particular platform. So guys, as you can see my withdrawal balance over here, I withdraw from this particular platform 278 Ghana cedis. Actually, I registered on this particular platform, I think last week or last 2 weeks, I'm not certain, last week. So I wanted to try it out to see if it works before I can come here and share with you. And guys, you can take my word on this. This is a new platform. It's going to stay longer, because when I checked their server details, they registered it for a year, which is giving me a green light that they are going to last for more than 6 months or more than 3 months, looking at the registration server. But always know, we have, when it comes to investment, we are having rules in investment. Always invest wisely. Rule number 2, invest what you can afford to lose. And rule number 3, always go back to rule number 1, invest wisely. But guys, you can take my word on this. There's a new platform. You can start earning on this particular platform. Let's start making some cool money online, doing what you do every day. So you just go to the site, watch ads, and get paid every day. And you know, the best thing about this platform is it takes less time, less than 1 minute. You are done watching your ads. It's like 10 seconds or 20 seconds, you are done and you are paid. So guys, let's just start earning on this particular platform. Take the link in my description, register and get started. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe. If you don't want to miss exciting packages like this, guys, I guess you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't, you are missing out big time. Until then, it's another time, and see you in our next video. Tell a friend about John Alat. Share my link to your friends, your families. Let them subscribe. Let them turn on the bell notification. So each time I drop a video like this, you'll be the first person to get it. YouTube is going to send you a notification. And guys, let's go together. We are hitting 3K subscribers very soon, and I'm glad and happy for this. Thank you. My name is John Alat, and I'm out. Peace out, gang.